An important aspect while dealing or working with any artificial intelligence system is to understand the attribute of anthropomorphism. What is anthropomorphism? Anthropomorphism is the human tendency to assign humanistic values or humanistic characteristics to any non-living object. Now, we do that a lot and every single day, especially while working on AI on any platform. Why does the AI not have conscious? Why does the AI does not give me the right answer or understand my sentiments or my feelings or my emotions? Why is it not thinking like me? Now that is a flaw. You need to understand AI is simply a system which has fed or consumed huge amounts of data, and they simply search the text from your query to the next best matching text and gives you the answers. But at the same time, you need to assign roles when you are on systems, especially on platforms like ChatGPT, when you're trying to prompt it. At that point of time, based on the industry or the domain which you're working on, you need to assign it the role so that the system can think in that function. So if you're working on a marketing campaign or a creative campaign, I would ask the prompt to think like a marketing director or a creative director and come out with 5 campaigns for my product which targets a certain age group. If I'm working on huge balance sheets on financial statements, I would ask it to work like as a chartered accountant, as a tax consultant, or as an accounts executive go through those huge numbers and give me proper trends, analysis, and come up with important decision making points. If I work as a coach, as a mentor, especially in my profession, the work which I do, I would ask the system or the platform to think as a research analyst, as a researcher, as an educator, or as a PhD mentor to come up with results and information that will help the right audience, along with the demographic of the audience. So we need to understand assigning humanistic values to AI is dangerous. We can develop emotions with it, and that would lead to assigning us or having or developing a lot of affinity with the system, and that is dangerous. But we need to be smart. We need to understand how can we use one system to play multiple roles and get into the scheme of things and think like that person and give us the best results out. So please understand anthropomorphism and understand where is it that you need to avoid it and where is it that you can apply it